Welcome to a Prevent Connect podcast, where we explore the prevention of violence against women. This is a project of the California Coalition Against Sexual Assault.
Hi, this is Jim Morovich. I'm the President and CEO of Prevent Child Abuse America.
Hi, I'm Joan Tabachnick, and I am currently a fellow with the Department of Justice. I'm also on a coalition to prevent and end child sexual abuse and exploitation.
My name is Jetta Bernier. I'm Executive Director for Mass Kids, a statewide child advocacy organization that directs the Enough Abuse campaign on child sexual abuse prevention.
Hi, I'm Dr. Janet Rosenzweig. I'm Vice President at Prevent Child Abuse America and also the author of the book, The Sex-Wise Parent.
The reason we're sponsoring the Preventing Child Sexual Abuse track at the National Sexual Assault Conference is because we believe that every child in the United States, no matter where they live, no matter who they are, no matter what socioeconomic group they're in, have that right to a great childhood.
So I'm leading a workshop on actually one of the key products of the National Coalition to Prevent and Child Sexual Abuse and Exploitation. It's around the pillars of prevention. So we've identified 6 different pillars that we believe are absolutely critical to actually ending and preventing child sexual abuse and exploitation.
At the National Sexual Assault Conference, I'll be presenting with my colleagues about state leadership in preventing child sexual abuse. I'll be discussing the Enough Abuse campaign and its history over the past decade in terms of organizing local and statewide coalitions, educating parents, professionals, working on organizational policies, and also legislation.
I believe it's absolutely critical that parents promote sexual health and safety in their home, their family, and their community, and I'll be offering a workshop at the conference helping all of us as professionals promote those values with specific skills and resources in your community.
So I'm thrilled that Prevent Child Abuse America is sponsoring this track for a couple of reasons. One is it shows the commitment that Prevent Child Abuse America has towards not just preventing child abuse broadly and neglect broadly, but also looking specifically at child sexual abuse. I think they have an absolutely critical role to be playing at this conference, and I'm thrilled that the conference is welcoming child sexual abuse as part of what the sexual violence prevention movement should be addressing.
Prevention is the key to solving this major social problem for children. And so we're excited that the National Conference is going to be supporting a track that will help practitioners in the field and clinicians and those working on treatment and intervention to begin focusing more on prevention.
Those of us that work in the field of sexual assault have license to speak about sexuality, sexual assault, sexual health and safety, and we need to use that license and express our values and our knowledge base to help make our communities safer.
We've got some exciting presenters who are nationally known for their work in preventing child sexual abuse. It'll be good not only to hear them, but to get engaged in a dialogue about how we as a nation can contribute to the safe, healthy, stable, nurturing environments that bring about great childhoods. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to this Prevent Connect podcast. Prevent Connect is a project of the California Coalition Against Sexual Assault, with funding from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The views presented on Prevent Connect are not necessarily the views of the United States government, the CDC, or CalCASA. To learn more about Prevent Connect, visit www.preventconnect.org. For more information about CalCASA's mission or to show your support, visit calcasa.org. That's CALCASA.org.